Guys, if you have a wife that used to patronize native daughter or seer, please and please be very, very careful with such a person, because people like that, they are very, very dangerous and they can do anything as far as the instruction is coming from their native daughter or from their seer. The woman that you are seeing on my screen threw her baby into the river. According to her, she said that after giving birth to the baby, she wanted to give birth again, to take in again and give birth again to maybe to her second child. But it happens that whenever she takes in, she used to have miscarriage. She said that it was not once, it was not twice. The thing continued to happen. And because of that, that was how she started, worrying, looking for a solution to the problem. She discussed it with a friend of hers, and a friend of hers told her that she had a solution to her problem. And that was how the friend took her to a native daughter in Benin City, Edo State. According to her, she said that when they got there, the Baba told her, the seer, I don't know if it is a native daughter or seer, but whichever one, the person told her that it was her baby, the little child that she gave birth to, was the one responsible for her miscarriage. Just imagine. And the seer told this woman that for her to be able to give birth again, that she will have to throw that baby into the river, that the baby was a python. Imagine how wicked people are. And it was as if the woman was not thinking. Guess what she did? She went home, took her baby, and carried the baby to the river. And that was how she threw the baby into the river. But unfortunately for her, some guys around that place, they reached out to Edo State security operatives. And that was how this woman was apprehended. If you are new to my channel, kindly hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for quick updates. Let's get right into the video.
No worry. I'm going to send a 4 places to go. Okay, now this is the first 50 for how many years? How you got it from?
No, I don't born now. So now 1 year you do what I'm nothing. So I got the sign that I want to carry Benin for what I'm doing. You know, every Benin I carry now is silent.
Madam, you say the beginning reach 5 months.
Calm down.
5 years, I mean. The beginning reach 5 years. You know what? Now say that 1 year, you know the waka you got.
Only 1 year and 5 years. All the picking my
you don't do all those ones. They look that place where you do all those ones.
Okay, mama.
You see any?
Ready for water? For the water. No see anything picking where the flow they go.
Mama, you get mine, sha. You get mine.
Where you go when they tell you say me you who picking for river?
for Edo.
Edo? Which place for Edo?
I go do Sia.
We Sia. Now who ma be na man?
Na man.
Okay. What did the man tell you?
He said if I not go do the right thing for inside river.
What be the right thing?
Say may I put the pikin for inside river,
May you put waiting.
the pikin for inside
Wait,
river.
now not the rush. I dey answer you question. You see, I say me put the pikin for the river. Wait till go up if you put the pikin for the river. You call see pikin born. Okay. Wait. Now wait till the seer tell you that. Okay, now where did the seer dey and which place for Benin dey?
Ewotubu side.
Ewotubu. If we go there now, you fit show us the seer.
I fit show, but na person carry me go.
Wait, that person wey carry you go now, who he be to you?
My phone, na my
who
friend.
He be to you?
Na my friend. They carry my phone. Na for corner.
Your friend, na the
They don't
person.
carry my phone.
The friend
my phone.
Na friend to you.
Yes.
Na carry you go the seer.
Yes. Person carry my phone.
For Ewotubu, wait now. So, if
somebody say,
what do you see? I can tell you, say, if you put the pikin, what you go happen?
He go change to python. So that python.
Say the pikin a big python.
Yes.
Say go change to python.
Yes.
Which river I tell you say may you put am?
He not tell me any river. We just.
How you tell locate this river?
Na person na tell me say this river dey okay.
Who be the person wey tell you say this river dey okay?
The seer.
The seer na tell you say this river dey okay. The seer measure which community this community. Then how you go know say this river na Igbo? You don't know. Say this river na dey okay. The person don see this river before. You know this community where you dey. This is Onwa community of Ovia Northeast local government. So how the person dey know this Onwa river?
Now for where?
Na for there.
Which place?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. Who be the person wey carry you for canoe? Shebi na so wetin I dey talk. Shebi dey so wetin I dey talk. You dey see? Na that person now for carry. That person now see dey go see that person.
You don't know the person, but now for you, you carry the canoe, abi. The pikin he don die before he travel for river.
Yes.
The pikin don.
Na 7,000.
The pikin don die. He die before you.
You never die. The pikin don die before you throw him.
Yes.
Na lie o, it's not a truth. Na there we
The pikin
go.
don die before you throw him.
Pikin wey carry come, he die before you throw am.
If you lie, if they lie,
you go follow the
First and foremost, I want you guys out there to learn from this. I want you people to learn from this. Most especially if you're a man. If you have a wife that used to patronize native daughter, or that have this, kind of unusual faith in Sia, my brother, you have to be very, very careful. If possible, run from your life. Because if it happens that peradventure that is Sia, inform your wife that you are the one responsible for her problem. If the Sia tell your wife to buy you, trust me, the woman will buy you. They know they think sometimes. As far as the instruction is coming from their Sia, they go do it. Because they believe that the seer is connected to divinity. They believe that the seer can never make a mistake. So you have to be very, very careful out there. This thing can happen to anybody. Right? It can happen to anybody. Right? So I am telling you, if you have a wife or anybody at all, a friend or anyone that used to patronize seer, those people, very, very well, my brother, run from your life. And secondly, few days ago, I posted a video where I said that women, most especially first-time moms, should be very, very careful. Should be careful of entrusting their babies to stranger. Right? We saw what happened in Delta State a few days ago. How a woman kidnapped 2 children, a 4-month-old baby and a 3-month-old baby, just because she lost her 2 children. For some of you that is here to see that video, just scroll down. You are going to see the video. I posted it about 2 to 3 days ago. These other ones that you are seeing on my screen, they kidnapped a baby, both of them, their husband and wife. And guess who owned the baby? It was actually the sister to the wife that owns the baby. Both of them, they had the mind to kidnap the baby, probably to go and sell the baby. But unfortunately for them, West got to Edo State security operative, and that was how the 2 of them were nabbed.
CSP, safety for all. CSP, safety for all. This is Idumebo Community Security Police, Isa Central. At around about 7 p.m. this evening, we got a district call that there are some group of boys and a man and a woman. They want to sell a baby, and we enter into the scene and we got them apprehended in the transaction level, and we got them. This is the baby. What's the name? This is not the mother of the baby. This is the husband of this woman. This is not the father. Please, what's your name? Open your mouth. Monday. John. Where are you from? Bandits State. Okay. What's your name? Charity. Where are you from?
From Benue.
Jacob. Charity. Jacob from Benue, right? This baby you are holding, is it your baby?
No, my sister.
Your sister's baby. Your sister know that you want to sell this child?
No.
For how long have you been making these preparations? You said what? Speak louder, speak louder.
Honestly, the video is very, very pathetic, right? And the woman seemed not to be speaking out, right? So it was actually, difficult to get her to talk. But at the same time, I want you guys to know that if you have somebody around you that have the mind to carry out anything that has to do with kidnapping, be very, very careful with that person. That person can go to any extent to do anything. You see, women, and some of them are very, very dangerous. Some of them may be quiet, but they can go to any extent just to meet their demand. And lastly, I've been talking this issue of kidnapping now for the past few months, right? And I've been saying that Nigeria should be very, very careful, right? And not just that, I have been saying that Nigeria should try and get something for self-defense. And not just that, I have also warned you guys to stay away from some specific road in Nigeria. Just a few days ago, this man's brother was kidnapped.
Guys, my brother has been kidnapped. Yes. They kidnapped my brother yesterday along Enugu axis. Now, I know the boundary between Enugu and Benue State. That particular spot they talk say kidnapping they happen for there where and no be today again. That one on the daily basis. According to the people living there, they say there is one big forest there. Is it Orokamu? You guys know trailer park if you are going to Enugu. That is, the trailer park is inside the Benue. But that particular spot of trailer park, after that place you go small. And they can say there is one bigger forest inside that Orokamu. They call, there's the two forests. There is one they call Adupi. And then there is one they still call how do they call this forest? This forest. I've forgotten the name of the forest. You guys can now see that most time, anytime I'm against the government speaking out, a lot of you guys who don't know how this thing they work until it happened to you. You will not know how people are feeling when they talk about kidnapping. This particular money, they talk about whether Zamfara, one of the state, bandit kidnap pregnant woman, where don't they due to deliver, plus other people in one of the states in Nigeria today. Today is 10th, right? 10th of June. So you guys will not know what is going on in this country until it happened to you. Then that is when you start testifying, what try to condemn the bad government. How I don't even expect see the kidnap my brothers or my brother. The reason is this: the place where would they not be place where kidnapper fit enter. But how come person managed to come in workshop, tell and say, come and fix my car, come and tow my car for where he did. Now if they follow the man go, there won't be two people who follow and go. But they are demanding 15 million from what each person.
So please and please, I want to say it again. As it is now, Nigeria is not safe. Right? Nigeria is not safe. The insecurity in this nation is too much. That is the truth. Right? There is every tendency that guy was actually careful, but it just happened that the guy was not careful enough. Right? This thing can happen to anybody. It is not just by being intelligent or by being safe. It takes the grace of God, you know, to be able to escape all these things. Right? So please and please, if you are traveling this period, please and please be very, very careful. If the journey you are going for is not really that necessary, please stay in your house. Right? If you know that the place you are going for is something that you can tackle through phone, I beg, there's no need of going. That is the best thing. Right? And lastly, a few hours ago, I received an information that some bandits, some Fulani bandits, were planning a massive attack in Niger State. So if you have a brother, a sister, or a family in Niger State, please reach out to them to be very, very careful. Right? Most of these Fulani bandits, one thing that they are good at is information. They know how to get information very, very well. Right? And once they have that information, they will strike. And also, they know how to blend with people very, very well. Right? So tell your families out there in Niger State to be very, very careful, not to trust foreigners, most especially those Aboki people that used to pretend to be, you know, cobblers and others. Please and please do your best to reach out to your family. And what they say is enough for the wise. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And also, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. The link is in my description. I do post video there almost on daily basis because there are some videos that I cannot post on YouTube due to their strict policy. So the link is there. Click on it. It will take you straight to my Telegram channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.
I love